What is up, Old Souls fam? Part 2 of my floor mat restoration of the Zig Zags. If you didn't check out the first part, it was a cool video, so the Zig Zags turned out great. You can see how nice they look. All nice and white and sharp lines. It turned out really good. So today we're going to be doing the black part of it, and same process as the first part. We're going to tape off the zigzags this time, and we're going to use the SEM Color Coat Black to get those, I mean, legit, I'm hoping back to like brand new quality. So let's get into this vlog. Super cold out here, so I've got the heater going, trying to warm this place up, trying to warm up my can here, and I've got my tape and this Pokemon card box from my son to get this warmed up here. Yeah, so gotta get the taping. That's all that's left. Pretty straightforward process, just take some time, like you all know. So I'm going to be kind of working on this on and off today while doing some other honeydew projects for the wife. So let's start this before she pulls me away and I don't get this done today. So let's go. Oh my fuck balls. God damn, that looks so good. I've outdone myself, gentlemen and ladies. I've outdone myself here. This may be the nicest Zig Zag floor mat I've ever seen. Fuck, it looks so good. I mean, it looks amazing. Good God. I mean, it should. That was legit 18 hours worth of work for one side, one floor mat. Amazing. Damn. Now I got to do the driver's side. Grr. That's another like 20 hours, and it's got the Del Sol writing and the logo on it. Labor of love, though. Labor of love. I am super hella pumped about this. So, I got to go enjoy the rest of my Sunday and relax now, but got to get after it again here. Got a whole nother side to do. All right, guys. Until next time. Peace.